So here's a way to add extra support for an IKEA cabinet on an island or a peninsula. And my brother showed me this trick the other day, and it was actually a good thought. Just one of those things, being OCD, you kind of pick up on these things. And I'll show you right now is this side gable panel is actually fastened into the side of the bottom. It's not actually sitting on top. So you can see how we're overhanging our toe kick. And we do that so you don't actually bash your toe when you're walking around the counter. But on an island or a peninsula, if you're doing granite or something heavy, or there's potential of people sitting on this, you might want to add some extra support in here, because what will happen is if you get someone sitting on this, there's nothing holding this gable from shearing off of this bottom bracket or this bottom shelf or whatever you want to call it. So you can't put an L bracket on the inside because this cabinet's getting drawers and it'll be in the way of the drawer glide. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pre-drill. I've marked my just 3/8 gap here. That'd be the center of the plywood. And I'm just going to pre-drill. Okay, so just pre-drill a little bit smaller than the threads. I'm just doing a number 6 by 2-inch screw. And then just add those screws, because that'll give you your extra support. And then when I put my filler panel on, it hides all those fasteners. Now I feel safe that if somebody sits on this, it isn't going to shear that cabinet end off.